In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Muppet-style photo in the Google Gemini Windows app. We're going to turn a regular photo into a playful Muppet-style image using the Gemini app on Windows. Before we start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a photo ready on your computer. For the best result, pick a clear, well-lit image where the subject's face is visible, preferably facing the camera with minimal background clutter. Avoid including private details in the frame, and steer clear of specific copyrighted characters. Aim for the general Muppet-style look, rather than a direct copy of any character. Open the Gemini Windows app and look for the plus icon next to the message box. That plus sign is your shortcut for adding an image. Click it, then browse to the photo you want to transform and select it. You'll see a small preview, or image chip, appear near the prompt area once it's attached. If you prefer, many versions of the app also accept drag and drop right into the conversation, but using the plus sign is the simplest and most reliable way to ensure the image is attached. Now it's time to tell Gemini what you want. Click in the prompt box and type, "Create a Muppet style of this photo." Keep it short and clear. That exact phrase works great. If you want to guide the style a bit more, you can add descriptive touches like felt texture, bright studio lighting, or soft, friendly expression. But keep the focus on the Muppet-style transformation. The key is to let Gemini know you're asking it to stylize the photo you just attached. Once your prompt looks good, press Enter to submit it. Pressing Enter sends both your text and the attached photo to Gemini, so it can process the request. You should see the image chip still visible when you send. If you don't, attach the photo again and resend your prompt. Now give it a moment. This may take a while, especially if your photo is large or the servers are busy. Leave the app open and avoid interrupting the process. You might notice a brief loading indicator while Gemini analyzes the image and applies the Muppet-style look, including those familiar fabric textures, simplified shapes, and bright, playful colors. When it's done, you'll see the transformed version appear in the conversation. If the style isn't quite what you expected, refine your wording, maybe emphasize a warmer color palette or a softer texture, and press Enter again with the same attached image. A couple of small prompt tweaks can make a big difference. And that's it. You've created a Muppet-style photo in the Google Gemini Windows app quickly and cleanly.